This is a winter weather alert. You are watching 13 on your side.
And good afternoon, I'm Val Lego along with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons. We're going to take a live look from our Snug Harbor Tower Cam in Grand Haven. Travel across the area certainly getting worse. You can barely see very far through this tower cam right now, and it continues to get worse throughout the day. There have been numerous crashes as a result. Crews are currently responding to a 12-car crash on M6 west of Wilson. There's also a crash involving several semi-trucks on eastbound I-94 near Watervliet. Police are urging people to stay off I-94 between New Buffalo and Battle Creek because of all of the crashes on that stretch of road. That's about 125 miles of interstate. Earlier today, the Michigan State Police also posted video showing what conditions were like on a stretch of road along M6. They wanted you to know about the increasing winds and warn you that it was going to be hazardous driving with zero visibility, and that's about what you're seeing right there. So, George, it's not going to get any better. You say winds are going to pick up even more.
Yeah, they're not going down anytime soon. So as the light fades today, visibility still very poor. Yeah, we're still going to expect a lot of travel issues.
And we have a lot of accidents out there right now, too.
The MDOT map, this is the live map out of MDOT showing all of the exclamation points are travel issues with crashes northbound 131, westbound M6, as you mentioned. Also up on northbound 131 further up into the greater Grand Rapids area, eastbound M37 all the way up toward the Howard City area because of the low visibility. You can see that on the southbound cameras around Wayland, almost near zero visibility. Also at 54th and 131. And M6 and 131. Yes, you can barely see from the cameras. All this due to lake effect and the blowing wind. This is fine snow, very fine particle snow because the temperatures are very cold. And that gets whipped up very easily, and it's just like sugar snow and across the windshield near zero visibilities. Quarter-mile visibility here in Grand Rapids with a temperature of 6 degrees. A little bit better from the Muskegon MDOT cameras. There are some clear lanes, but that means the snow that's blowing across the roadway combined with a little bit of heat from the vehicle and the lack of heating from the salt is just making it like an ice rink. It just kind of polishes the roadway. So again, it is very slippery even though it looks clear on the roadway. It is not. Two tracks also around Forest Hill and 196 to the east of Grand Rapids where conditions are not quite as severe, but they're still very tough because of the wind. Winds between about 35 and 40 miles an hour, mid 40s to near 50 mile per hour wind gusts earlier this afternoon, and those winds have not come down at all. And there'll be occasional gusts up near 50. The consumer energy power outage map has changed very little in the last hour. Still about the same number of customers without power. Some areas up around the Stanton area, about half of those customers have now gotten their power back, but there is still the possibility of more power outages with these winds still staying up around 40 miles per hour, 35 to 40 miles per hour, all the way into Saturday afternoon. So again, a very tough time. So the blizzard warning remains in effect until Saturday evening at 7 p.m. It expires just after midnight on Friday night, Saturday, inland areas where there's that winter storm warning with fewer impacts. And so far, this is the snowfall totals that we have seen across West Michigan. Very hard to measure. Some of this was a couple hours ago, anywhere between 4 and 6 inches. And we're expecting quite a bit more, especially in those lake effect prone areas. And of course, this is not only having a havoc on road travel, but air travel as well.
Absolutely. And very good reminder to people when they see the two tracks out there thinking that the roads are like clear and dry, but no, you're driving on ice.
Absolutely. So take it easy or just don't drive.
Right. And you might not want to be able to fly either. If you take a look now at the flight tracker from Gerald R. Ford International Airport, as you can see, almost every single flight has been either delayed or canceled, affecting travel plans for many, many people this holiday weekend. You can keep up to date with West Michigan's changing weather in real time by downloading the 13 on your side weather app. We will have more blizzard coverage tonight at 4.
This was a winter weather alert from 13 on your side.